Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for class 7 students. Our today's topic CQ 78 and MCQ 31 from 40. So my dear students, let's see. Term in World, Class 7, Subject Bangladesh and Global Studies, Topic CQ 78, and Lecture 16, SWLB 15, Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number, Messenger ID Ariful Bari, and today's date 11/10/2020. So, my dear students, first go to the MCQ. Class 7, Subject B.G.S, Lecture 16, SWLB 15. So MCQ 31 to 40. 31. What is inferiority complex? Number A, a physical complexity. Number B, a mental complexity. Number C, a social complexity. Number D, a cultural complexity. The answer will be, inferiority complex means mental complexity. Number 32. Which international organization has declared a particular day Senior Citizen Day? Number A, UNICEF. Number B, the United Nations. Number C, World Elder Organizations. Number D, UNDP. So, the United Nations declare the Senior Citizen Day. Number 33, who is the pioneer of women's right? Women's right. Number A, Sufia Kamal. Number B, Begum Rokeya. Number C, Nurjahan Begum. Number D, Selina Hussain. So our answer will be number B, Begum Rokeya. So Begum Rokeya, initiated first. She started writing for women's right. Number 34, problems of the elderly is number 1, familial problem. Number 2, economic problem. Number 3, psychological problem. Which one of the following is correct? A number 1 and 2. Number B, 2 and 3. Number C, 2. Number D, 1, 2 and 3. So our answer will be number D, all the 3. Number 1, familial problem, economic problem, and psychological problem. 35. What is the percentage of old age allowance? Number A, 100 taka, B, 200 taka, C, 300 taka, D, 400 taka. So answer will be 100 taka. Chapter 10, MCQ 36. Most of the parents of our country consider their daughter as blessings, prize, burden, asset. So this answer will be burden. Now this consideration has been changing day by day. 37. When was the law against dowry amended? 1980, 1983, 1986, 1988. The answer will be 1986. The law against dowry was amended. 38. What is the age of retirement for the justice in Bangladesh? Number A, 59 years. Number B, 60 years. Number C, 65 years. Number D, 67 years. Answer will be number C, 65 years. 39. What type of problem superstition is? Economic problem, religious problem, social problem, population problem. So answer will be C, social problem. Chapter 12. The rate of literacy in China is 82%, number B 84%, number C 86%, number D 88%. So the answer will be 86%. So we have finished our MCQ. Now we will move to chapter 7. Creative question 7. So 40, Mr. Hassan. Chapter 9, CQ question 7. Mr. Hassan is a government employee. His family consists of 5 members. He, himself, his wife, and 2 school-going children, and his old father. Mr. Ahmed, Mr. Hassan looks down upon Mr. Hassan and compels her husband to send him to an old home. So number A and B you will do by yourself. Number C and D I am giving. Number C, give a pen picture of the daily life of a retired teacher of its school? Number D. Elderly rights are no less important than women's rights in Bangladesh. Evaluate. Answer. Number C answer. Question is, give a pen picture of the daily life of a retired teachers of your school. Number C answer. Our respected teacher Mr. Barkodullah has recently retired from our school with a long 35 years of teaching experience. He is now 60 and passing his retired life. To speak the truth, he is in distress with all his loneliness and diseases. He has given the entire sum of retirement allowance to his sons, who are now quarreling with one another. They all look down upon him and do not pay heed to him at all. Their wives often behave with him rudely. After reading newspaper, he takes his grandchildren to school, takes a little breakfast and goes to bazaar. He doesn't have much company of his grandchildren because they are always busy with their studies. He has been a widower for last 20 years and so he seldom finds anybody to talk with. He has got diseases like diabetes, high blood pressures and insomnia, but he is ill-treated. He sometimes comes to school and, if requested, takes a glass or two. Owing to joint pain, he cannot walk well, but he has to go to bazaar every day. Whenever he meets somebody known to him, he asks for a job at a private office or shop. Number D, a question is, elderly rights are no less important than women's rights in Bangladesh. Evaluate. Answer is, number D answer, almost all of us today have awareness about women's rights. Women are raising movements demanding many facilities but do not utter a single word in favor of elderly rights. It is often noticed that an old man stands trembling just by a young woman sitting on a seat in a bus. This is one of the burning examples of discriminations between women's rights and elderly rights. Women, but not the elderly, are offered reserved facilities. The elderly are respected and offered special opportunities in the developed countries. Women get equal rights, not priority. There are special opportunities like special buses and special hospitals, special hostels, special centers, special laws, etc. for women, but nothing for the elderly. The elderly are the conscience of the nation. They have built the country. The nation should not ignore them, but should ensure everything necessary, keeping in mind that they are also human beings and not inferior to women. Furthermore, the number of old women is more than that of old men. Now we will move to CQ8. Sultana was a daughter of a farmer. She had to face many negative comments from both inside and outside family and society. But she was very assertive. She did not stop her study despite acute financial hardship. After completing graduation and post-graduation, she has become general manager of a big industry. Number A, who is regarded as forerunner of women advancement in Bangladesh? Number B, give a short note on the senior citizen. Number C, identify the negative comments faced by Sultana like girls in our society. Number D, do you think that women like Sultana can play important role for the development of the country? Give your opinion. Answer. Number B, question is, give a short note on the senior citizen. So people above 60 years are generally known as the aged in Bangladesh. People go to retirement from earning their livelihood at this stage. The age for retirement for a government service holder in Bangladesh is 59. The retirement age for justices has recently been raised to 67. For university professors and some other professionals to 65. In the modern developed countries, people above 60 or 65 are regarded as senior citizens. They are awarded special honor, privilege and opportunity. Number C, answer. The question is, identify the negative comments faced by Sultana like girls in our society. Number C. The negative comments Sultana faced like girls in our society are identified and described below. In Bangladesh, women are lagging behind men in many ways. They are still deprived of economic rights. social rights, cultural rights, and many more. They are also victims to many types of discrimination. Many parents in our country still regard a female child as a burden. They think their male child, once he grows up, will go on to feed them and take the helm of family. On the other hand, a female child, according to them, they will go away to her husband's or in-laws family after marriage, and it will cost quite an amount of marry off. From this point of view, parents prefer a male child over a female child, but the situation is changing now. Girls are coming forward equally with boys to take up responsibilities of parents, family, as well as society. Number D, question is, do you think that women like Sultana can play important role for the development of the country? Give your opinion. Number D answer, yes, I do think that women like Sultana can play an important role for the development of the country. If the two wheels cannot complement each other, the car will stop. Similarly, in the society, if women cannot move forward equally, advancement of society will stop. Women do not only play the roles of mother, sister, daughter, sister-in-law, aunt, or grandmother. They also play a role alongside their male parents to maintain the family. They also play the main role of reading children, which is highly important. Women are not limited to traditional homemakers only. They are also earning for the family. They are now showing their excellence in different industries, including government, academic institutions, multinational companies, engineering, medical, and defense services. If we provide them proper education, training, as well as rights to movement and opinion, they will be able to play a vital role in different sectors. This will have advancement of family, society, and country as well. They will be able to contribute more effectively to their families and society, and thought that constructions of the family. So this is our class today. That's the finishing of our class today. Our SW is SW15 creative questions number 7D. So you will do only creative question number 7D. Okay, SW15 creative question number 7D. So that's all for today. SW is okay. So that's all for today. Do your assign SW at home and submit on Sunday with an 8 to 4 p.m. in the school library. You will also collect those copies on Sunday with an 8 to 4 p.m. in the school library. You know your SW is very important because we are giving SBA city and direct mark on the basis of the submission of SW copies. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. About bad parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.